my name is Arjun and welcome back to my channel. All my friends love having that zingy paneer parcel from Domino's, and today I'll be trying to recreate it but with a twist of my own. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go! I'll start by taking warm milk. Next I'll add in sugar and yeast. Yeast is a really important component of our dough because it is the reason our dough proofs. Our yeast performs budding and grows, and so does our dough. I'll cover it and let it sit for 10 minutes. Our milk and yeast has proofed beautifully. Now I'll take a food processor and I'll add in flour. Now into this I'll add in our milk. Time to knead it. Now into this I'll add in butter. I'll keep my dough in a greased bowl to let it proof. I'll cover it with cling film. Now I'll let it proof until it doubles in size. It will take about 1 to 1.5 hours. While our dough is proofing, I'll make our filling. Here I have the mayo and I'll add in hot sauce. Next goes in pizza pasta sauce. And I'll mix it. Next I'll add in chilli flakes and garlic bread seasoning. A pinch of salt, and I'll add in our star ingredient, paneer or cottage cheese. Ta-da! Here our filling is ready. Our dough has proofed wonderfully. I'll take it out on our board. I'll sprinkle some dry flour and I'll transfer the dough to our board. First we'll make the popular Domino style paneer parcel. I'll put milk around the edges. And now I'll fold it into a triangle. It's time for our filling to go in. Next, I'll make a braid. Next, I'll make a swirl. And now for my favorite Momo style. Now I'll give it a milk wash. Now I'll sprinkle some oregano on top. Now I'll pop it in the oven at 190 degrees for 10 minutes. Hear that? It is done! Now I'll put butter on it. Let's give it a try! This tastes exactly like the Domino's ones, but it's a little more tastier with a little different shapes, so it's more fun to eat. It's really easy and I'm sure you can make it. Do give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you!